Welcome back everyone. Quickly, let's continue our discussion on CSS text decorations. And right now, we'll be discussing about the CSS shorthand property for the text decoration. The CSS text decoration property is a shorthand property for text decoration line, text decoration color, the text decoration style, the text decoration thickness. The text decoration line is required, very important, and also this text decoration color optional is the style, optional is the thickness. But if you have to use this text decoration property, the the style, the line is very important. So I'm going to be explaining how this thing works easily, so you guys can understand this. But one of the things you have to know is that this CSS text decoration shorthand property is used to control what? To control. This is our document right here. And we are, if you notice that we are having overline right here in our previous tutorial. Let me change this to, let me just give this one, let me give it 1%, and also give this one yes, solid is okay, and also save this document. Yes, I'm giving this 1%, but you cannot see it clearly. Let me give it 5%. It's too tiny. Yes, this is 5%. So I'm giving this 5% line right here. So I want you to notice one thing. We specify all these values just because we have to use this overline, the color, solid. We have to use this percentage. So there's a way we can specify all these values in one text decoration property, and it's going to make our life more easier. It's going to make our code look so small. We'll not be able to be writing much more code. So I want you guys to stay tuned and stay focused with me, so we can be able to understand how this works easily. uh, let's stop right here for now. Anwar akorede is my name once again. I wish to see you guys next time to the next tutorial. Peace and love. Have a great day. Bye.